Hi, we're here at Access Registered Massage Therapy in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. My name's Adam. I am one of the registered massage therapists as well as a co-owner here at the clinic. Today, I'm going to show you how to foam roll your lats, or the latissimus dorsi. We do this for about 1 or 2 minutes with our clients, and we use it when we find our clients have maybe some shortness in this muscle, but also some postural dysfunction where they might have some rounded shoulders. Okay? Maybe that comes from doing a lot of bench press or working at a desk for long hours. Whatever it may be, this is a great exercise to help you out. So, what you might find with this is a little bit of tenderness or soreness as we roll out along the outside of the body. That's okay as long as that pain or discomfort is not over a 5 on 10 on a pain scale. Alright? So I'm going to lie down onto the foam roller, massaging out my lats. I'm going to support myself with my leg and my forearm. And here I go. So placing that roll right along the lateral side of my body. I'm supporting my body, my upper body with my forearm. I also have my foot here to give myself some lift to support my body. Okay? I am making sure that I'm rolled back slightly so that I'm not right over onto the chest. And that way I'm making sure that I'm working on my lats, which are on the back side of the body. And so from here, lifting up my hips, rolling up, and coming back. And finding a spot that might be a little bit more tender, I'm going to hang out here. I'm going to take a deep breath or two. And allowing that tension to release slightly. And then continuing on for that full minute. And that's how you foam roll your lats.